Politics has erupted as far as the Padma Awards announcement is concerned. The Congress has targeted the BJP over the awards, alleging that the BJP has chosen to reward people with those belonging to the poll-bound states, whether it's Kerala, Tamil Nadu or even West Bengal. Taken to social media platform X is Congress leader Praveen Chakrabarti, who said that the Modi government has turned Padma Awards into election weapons and that 37% of the Padma awardees are from the poll-bound states. Congress leader Karti Chidambaram said that it would have been complicated for the government to choose Padma Award recipients earlier. Now the choice for the BJP government is simple. Just go ahead and choose people from the poll-bound states. BJP, of course, has hit back with the charge that the Congress is only in the habit of awarding those from their own family.
हमें बहुत दुख हुआ क्योंकि जब देखिए राज्यपाल होना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है और वो भी महाराष्ट्र में बहुत सम्मान की बात है, लेकिन जब वो यहाँ थे जिस तरह से उन्होंने हमारे जो श्रद्धा स्थान है महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले और सावित्रीबाई फुले, उनका जिस तरह से उनके ऊपर जो कमेंट्स किए थे वो हमें अच्छे नहीं लगे। हमें बहुत दुख हुआ क्योंकि हमारे लिए वो श्रद्धा स्थान है, हमारी श्रद्धा प्यार विश्वास है उनपे, तो उनके लिए जिस तरह से उन्होंने शब्द इस्तेमाल किए थे इसका मैं आज भी खंडन करती हूँ और हमेशा करती रहूंगी।
देखिए, मैं कोई मेरी प्रशंसा करे, कोई मेरी निंदा करे, इसके लिए मैं काम नहीं करता। मैं संघ का स्वयंसेवक हूँ, मेरे लिए भारत माता सब कुछ है, उसी के लिए हम काम करते हैं, उसके संतानों के लिए काम करते हैं और उसके लिए करते रहेंगे। अब किसी को अच्छा लगेगा, किसी को बुरा लगेगा, तो उसमें मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। मैं उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ अगर उनको बुरा लगता है तो। चलो बस मेरा
Certainly, the BJP has used all its agencies like the ED, CBI, income tax, and also now recently the jury to select the awards of civilian honor like the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, etc. It has been misused by the ruling dispensation for the political benefit of the BJP party. Though the recipients have done excellent in the field, the timing makes it obvious that there is nothing but political gimmick for the elections.
Governance issues will be there. It can be aptly handled by the people who have that leadership mettle and acumen in the center. Unfortunately, Congress, you don't find many with that kind of leadership attribute and acumen. So it is quite natural from Congress to make these sorts of allegations.
अब मुझे बताइए, आदरणीय स्वर्गीय शिबू सोरेन जी को भी दिया गया है, कौन से चुनाव हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे और कौन सी राजनीति है? दिक्कत यही है ना कांग्रेस की, और कौन से वो हमारे गठबंधन के हैं या कौन से हमारे साथ उन्होंने काम किया, पर उसके बावजूद, और यही खूबसूरती रही है हमारी सरकार की और यही सोच मेरे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की रही है कि पद्म अवार्ड को बिना किसी राजनीति में उलझाए हुए व्यक्ति विशेष का समर्पण देश के प्रति देखते हुए हम लोगों ने पिछले 11 सालों में ये पद्म अवार्ड देने का हम लोगों ने काम किया पहले। और जो कांग्रेस बोल रही है, सबसे ज्यादा राजनीति तो इन्हीं के कार्यकाल में होती थी।
कांग्रेस पार्टी को पद्मा अवार्ड से यही चिढ़ है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सरकार के अंदर जो देश के लिए काम करता है, जो समाज के लिए काम करता है, उसको पद्मा अवार्ड मिलता है। जब गांधी वाड्रा परिवार की सरकार थी, जो गांधी वाड्रा परिवार का लॉयलिस्ट था, उसको पद्मा अवार्ड मिलता था। इनको इस बात से चिढ़ है कि इस वक्त भले बंगाल हो, भले तमिलनाडु हो, भले असम हो या देश का कोई भी राज्य हो, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार अनसंग हीरोज को रिकॉग्नाइज करती है। गांधी वाड्रा परिवार के चाटुकारिता से शिफ्ट होकर आज की तारीख में पद्मा अवार्ड प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के अंडर में पीपल्स पद्मा बन चुका है।
Actually, just break it down for us, because the charge that is being made by the Congress party is that 37% of the awardees belong to the poll-bound states, and that is the problem that the opposition is having with the central government.
Well, you see now this entire matter has, gained a lot of controversy as well. Not just that, but the political war of words have also erupted, because on one hand, the Congress party has been questioning the manner in which the Padma Awards are given, keeping in mind the elections. They are also questioning the timings of the election and the awardees, 37%, as you rightly mentioned, those who are awarded, they belong to that particular state which are going to witness elections in the upcoming few months. That includes Assam and West Bengal as as well. Now talking about so as to what the BJP has to say, BJP says that it is the Congress party who only talks about Parivarvad and they cannot rise above it. They are the one who play, who are known for just the dynasty politics, and they are known for Parivarvad. This is what the BJP has been talking about. But now if we talk about this entire controversy, then let me tell you that today around 131 individuals were awarded with the Padma Award on Republic Day. And if we talk about, if we also talk about so as to what BJP has been stating, the BJP has been stating that Shibu Soren, who belongs to Jharkhand, late Shibu Soren in fact was also being awarded today. But in that case, there is no election in Jharkhand, so Congress party should also respond so as to how this is politicized,
Right.
and is there any election in the state of Jharkhand, and for that matter, CV Achyutananda has also been awarded.
Right.
So how this is in fact, it is an inclusivity. We show inclusivity. These are the individuals who have been honored for the kind of
Right.
work they have done, and everything should not be politicized. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Tejasri, for getting us those details. And